Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll discuss about the nucleus topic. In last video we discussed about the centromere and the centrioles. In last video we discussed about the centromere and centrioles, centriosome and the centrioles. In this video we'll discuss about the nucleus. So nucleus was first discovered by the Robert Brown in 1831. It is a cell organelle. It is a double membrane in layer. So material to nucleus stained by the basic dye was given by chromatin. So the name chromatin was given by the Fleming. The interface nucleus has highly extended and elaborated nucleoprotein called chromoprotein. Nuclear matrix and one or more spherical bodies are called nuclei. So based on electron microscopy, nuclear envelope, it consists of two parallel membranes with space known as the perinuclear space forms, and a barrier is present between inside the nucleus and the cytoplasm of the cell. The outer membrane usually remains continuous with the cytoplasmic in nature and bears the ribosome on. At a number of places, the nuclear envelope is interrupted by the minute pores, which are formed by the fusion of two membranes. These nuclear pores are the passage through which movement of RNA and protein molecule takes place in both directions between nucleus and the cytoplasm. There is only one nucleus per the cell. So, having nucleus, some of the cells doesn't have the nucleus, lack of the nucleus. Example like erythrocytes of the many mammals and sieve tube cells of the vascular plants. The nuclear matrix or the nucleoplasm contain nucleolus and chromatin, the nuclear spherical structure present in the nucleoplasm. The content of the nucleus is continuous with the rest of the nucleoplasm. It is not membraned by any structure. So it is the site for the active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Larger and more numerous nuclei present in the cell actively carried out by the protein synthesis. So here the structure of the chromosome having the kinetochores. These two are chromatids. It is a kinetochore. Overall is the chromosome. So indistinct network of the nucleoprotein is known as the chromatin. Different stages of the cell division cells shows the chromosomes in the shape of the nucleus. Chromatin contains DNA and some basic proteins are known as the histones. Also some non-histone proteins and RNA are also present. A single human cell has 2-meter long thread of the DNA is distributed among the 46 chromosomes. 22 pairs equals to 46 chromosomes. Every chromosome essentially has primary constriction centromere on the side of the disc shaped called kinetochores. Centromere holds two chromatids of the chromosome. So based on the position of the centromere, different types of the chromosomes have the position of the centromere. So this is the based on the two chromatids of the chromosome position, the chromosome classified into 4 types. This is the metacentric and this is submetacentric. This is metacentric. This is submetacentric. And this is acrocentric. And this is telocentric. So it has the same parallel equal parts of the chromatids from the both sides. This is known as satellite, and secondary constriction is present. Submetacentric, here's two arms are shorter than this other side of the two arms, means submetacentric. Chromosome is have the slightly away from the middle of the chromosome, resulting one layer and the other longer. In case of the acrocentric, these are very close to end and extremely short. So extremely long and extremely short is known as the acrocentric. In telocentric, only one terminal centromere is present. So based on the position of the centromere, it is classified into four types: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. So sometimes a few chromosome non-staining secondary is known as, here we can see that a satellite chromosome and secondary constrictions are in present. So microbodies, next is microbodies. Many membranous bound minute vesicles called microbodies, so that contain various enzymes are present in both plant and animal cells, are known as the microbodies. So this is all about the nucleus. It is a double membrane in shape. Here you can see that the structure of the nucleus, it is the nucleoplasm, nucleus, these are nuclear pore, and the layer is known as the nuclear membrane. So this is all about the nucleus.